Aurobindo was the first to introduce the concept Mother India, Bharat Mata. Concept Mother India in Indian politics. Mark this statement, very important. Full stop. However, comma, Abanindranath Tagore was the first to draw the image, was the first to paint, was the first to draw the image of Mother India. He was the first to draw the image of Mother India in his paintings. In his painting, P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, paintings, full stop. He was the father of Abanindranath Tagore, father of modern Bengali painting. Modern Bengali painting. Within brackets, Raja Ravi Varma was called father of modern Indian painting. Ravi Varma called father of modern Indian painting, full stop. He belonged to the court of Ravi Varma belonged to the court of Raja Martanda Varma. Of Travancore. Thiruvananthapuram. Travancore means Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Full stop. Next paragraph. Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, brother of Aurobindo. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, brother of Aurobindo. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, comma, brother of Aurobindo and Bhupendranath Datta. Bhupendranath Datta, brother of Swami Vivekananda, were revolutionaries. Full stop. Next paragraph. Rajnarayan Bose, Rajnarayan Bose and Ashwini Kumar Datta Rajnarayan Bose and Ashwini Kumar Datta supported Aurobindo as extremists. They all come under extremists. Full stop. Next paragraph. Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Wrote the novel Pattar Dhavi. Mark it, very important. Wrote the novel Pattar Dhabi. Banned by the British. It was banned. దాన్ని నిషేధించారు. Banned by the British for its revolutionary ideas. Full stop. Chiplunkar. Chiplunkar wrote underline Nibandhamala. Nibandhamala. Nibandhamala, underline that. Collection of poems. Nibandhamala, collection of poem, P-O-E-M, poems, glorifying extremism. Babu, glorifying extremism. Glorifying extremism. దాన్ని ఘనంగా పొగుడుతూ ఆ వాదాన్ని. ఫుల్ స్టాప్. నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. Within Congress party, underline within Congress party, extremism started with Bal Gangadhar Tilak.